Fruitland Manufacturing, reliability redefined.
We're at Fruitland Manufacturing. We have our Liquid Ring Eliminator series on the test stand. We want to start to talk about the different components that are on this machine. We'll start from left to right. This is the water cooler, keeps the water cool. This would be the cab of the truck is. And now the other end would represent where the vacuum tank would go. This is the actual pump. This is the acceleration system. This is the water reservoir. The four-way valve. The secondary shutoff or scrubber. Final filter. Check valve. Other than the acceleration system and the cooler, all these components you find on a regular vacuum tank system. Pressure relief valves. And we want to talk about the operation of running this vacuum pump. Because we don't have it on the actual truck, we are using our electric motor in our test stand to mimic a truck and a hydraulic system that would be driven by a truck's PTO. Before any operation of the liquid ring vacuum pump, we have to make sure that the liquid is in the pump and in the reservoir. The reservoir is 150 gallons. We need 75 gallons of water in it before we go out for a day's work. There's a sight tube here. We show halfway up. That's perfect level. We also want to make sure before we start the liquid ring vacuum pump that we have it half full of water. And you can see there's a sight tube here on the vacuum pump on either side, letting you know your level. So once we know we got half full, we are able to start the vacuum pump. The engagement of the hydraulic system on your truck, and in this case the engagement of the electric motor here on our test stand, happens just prior to us opening the valve to allow water into the system. So we're going to mimic that right now, and we're going to turn the system on. PTO hydraulic system's on, water valve's open, we're up and running. This system, like all vacuum systems, should be started in the neutral position. Running at full speed. Vacuum. On the vacuum gauge, we've got 26 inches of vacuum extremely quickly because the power of this pump and the fact that we're sucking out of really no tank at all. So at full vacuum, we can run the hydraulic water cooler is keeping the water cool. The acceleration system is popped off and allows cool air into the pump. We'll regulate this pump at 60 degrees Celsius for continuous duty all day long. Disengage the hydraulic system, or in this case the electric motor. As you can see, the water level will rise back up to where it should be if you shut the system off with the four-way valve in neutral. This is the operation of the liquid ring vacuum pump for the Fruitland Eliminator series. If you have any other questions, visit our website or call us at 1-800-663-9000.